All right, well, it wouldn't be a first event if we're not an hour behind, but so that's why we got to get started very quickly. All right, for qualification match number 14, driver, your matches begin in 3, 2, 1, go! And Robo Eclipse with that signature, put that sample into the red basket, just drop it and slide it in there. That will count for 8 as they do it again. There it is, slide it and drop it. With 2 robots in their respective observation zone, we have 7759 and Lo-Fi in their respective observation zones. Those perk points will count to 3, and Robo Eclipse will touch that low rung for
drivers. Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
2 more minutes of driver control once again, as we see one of the blue robots, that's Jankbot, pushing samples to their alliance partners for scoring into their blue basket. Lo-Fi scoring samples to their low basket. Those will each count for 4 points. Robo Eclipse continuing those cycles of scoring samples into the red high basket, just picking samples from the submersible zone of the field and going up and then just whoop, lever, and those samples go into the red high basket. Their alliance partners, Autonomous Prime with a red sample stuck right under the chassis. They're not moving much, so until they can get out, they're going to have that dragging with them. As their alliance partners bump into them, they get unstuck and they're ready to go in full motion. Not much of a concern when we have an 86-21 lead for the Red Alliance for them to have a buffer zone. That grows to 94. The first, and we finally see scoring efforts. We finally see red specimens from Autonomous Prime with a red specimen. It goes into the submersible zone almost on the red chamber, but we're going to see another one as there's another red specimen ready to collect, and it will soon go in the red chamber. Blue Alliance side on the field, 13-6-4-8, trying to make their way to find some more samples to collect from with 30 seconds to go in this endgame period. Robots will think about getting on the climb and their respective alliance rungs. Jankbot making their way to park in their observation zone, or at least collect a sample, but they're just going to line up and park. Moving around there, there's a... But if you look at the center of the field, we have 2 robots on the climb, or looking to get on the climb. Already Lo-Fi on the level 2 ascent. Both of the red robots, not quite enough time. I'm not sure if that one red bot was on the climb. We'll have your referees decide if it is on the climb or not, and we'll have them tally up